how to hide filters in Notion. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to quickly manage the visibility of filters in your Notion workspace. Perfect for keeping things clean during a presentation or just streamlining your view. First, open your browser and head to Notion's homepage. Click Login. For the fastest route, choose Continue with Google and select the right account, especially if you juggle personal and workspaces. Once you're logged in, open the page that contains your table. In the upper right corner of that table block, click the two lines icon. From the menu, select Filter to view the filters currently applied. Now comes the easy part. Click the filter icon to toggle visibility on or off. This lets you either see the criteria shaping your data or hide them for a cleaner, distraction-free table. Regularly review and update your filters to keep data relevant. And that's it. With just a couple of clicks, you can switch between a fully transparent view of your filters and a polished, presentation-ready table. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.